God not dey bless lazy people. E dey for inside a word say anybody wey not ready to work, make the person not chop. Hi guys, welcome to Favors Blog, your one-stop channel for amazing entertainment like no other. Trust me, you're going to enjoy your time here. To be part of this amazing family, please follow us on all our social media accounts displayed on your screen right now. And do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you'll be one of the first persons to get notified whenever we drop any new video. Also, do not forget to like our videos and of course share them across your social media handles so that your friends and family would also be part of this amazing family here on Favors Blog. Now let's dive right in. This now Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Saturday will be the 4th of March 2023. Our topic for today now, standing before kings. Our Bible reading, it comes from the book of Proverbs chapter 6 from verse 4 go reach 11. And our memory verse for today, it comes from the book of Proverbs chapter 22 verse 29. Where tell us to say, you don't see person where they do e work well with all e heart. He go stand before king, he no go stand before ordinary people. Make we enter today message. Not be everybody get opportunity to stand before king. Standing before king be say, you don't reach the very top of your business, your career, or anything wey be say you dey do. As a matter of fact, it means say you don't dey very successful, and also you don't become king in your own right for your own field of operation. The Bible does say, if you want stand before kings, you must dey diligent. That is, you must dey hardworking. We see am for inside Proverbs 22 verse 29. Laziness, it must disappear comot for your diary. That slow life wey you dey do mega as if you no get power to take do anything, it must not be part of your life at all. You no go fit rise to the top if you dey lazy. Bible talk for inside Proverbs chapter 12 verse 24 say, the hand of the person wey dey hardworking, e go rule, but the slothful, e go always dey under taskmasters. Proverbs 23 verse 21 also tell us say, person wey dey drink and person wey dey chop too much, e must come to poverty, and as also sleep, na the person go dey sleep with rags. E get one time for inside the 1970s wey be like say one new thing called the rain, everybody called they do positive confessions. Many people call they confess say, I get Mercedes Benz, but you go see them, they still dey on top of their bed around 10 o'clock for morning. Most of the times they just dey lazy about. Many years after then, they still dey make these positive confessions. Oh, I get Mercedes Benz, but the Mercedes Benz, e no appear. Not be to just use your mouth and they confess, say, I go be great for life, I go be great. You need to back them up with hard work. Greatness not be for lazy people. Proverbs chapter 24, from verse 33 to 34, tell us, say, small sleep, small slumber. Make I just fold my hands small, make I sleep. Now so poverty go take over you, and all the things that way you need to do go just go attack you like arm robber. E dey inside God's word for inside 2 Thessalonians chapter 3 verse 10 say, anybody wey no say e no wan work, make the person not chop. God na talk this one. He say, don't give you power to make wealth inside Deuteronomy chapter 8 verse 18. But if you not dey diligent, you know dey hardworking, for wetin you dey do, wealth no go come. God fit open door for you, but you need to get up, waka through the door wey God door open for you. My God, you know dey bless laziness. Our key point for today tell us, say, God, you know dey bless laziness or lazy people, so you get to dey diligent for wetin you dey do. Now, Pastor E.A. Adeboye, when be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, now him write this Open Heavens Daily Devotional. God bless you.